walkthrough of loading R and RStudio onto your computer. So first, to find R online, I simply Google the letter R. There it is, R. I search for it, and up pops the R project for statistical computing. I select it, and then I go to download stuff, and that's CRAN or CRAN, the Comprehensive R Archive Network. I select that, and you can see that there are mirrors or servers all over the world that make it available to us. I'm going to go to one of our closest ones, which is what you should do. I'm going to select this one at Case Western Reserve. I select that and I see all these options. I can download R for Linux, many flavors of Linux. I can download it for the Mac. I can download it for the Windows. If you have a Windows machine, click Windows and you'll see all of these things. This top thing, the base installation, that's what you want to install R for the first time. So you would select that. And so I'm going to select base. It takes me there and I download R-4.2.2 for Windows and follow the instructions. In contrast, if I have a Mac, as I do, I would go to download for Mac OS, and I would then be confronted with two different possibilities. I've got this, the latest release is 4.2.2-ARM64 or 4.2.2 that isn't ARM. And these depend on what chip you have. Some of the most recent computers use a different processor chip, and my computer happens to use the older processing chip, so I would do this. How do you find out which chip you have? You bring your cursor up to the upper left-hand corner, click on the Apple. I click About This Mac, and it tells me which chip I have. It is an I guess I select more info. Oh, no, it was right there. Let me go back. Damn it. This all happened to you. It's right up at the top. This Intel Core. If you have an Intel chip, then you select the one on the bottom. If your processor is an M1 or higher, then you would pick the other one. Click on that to download it, install it, and you'll be good to go. That's for R. Now, to download RStudio, I just type in RStudio, all one word. I search for it, and there we are, RStudio. It gives me some information. I look for products, these products right here, and I want open source. I want the Studio IDE, the Integrated Development Environment. I click that, and it gives me a lot of stuff. And I come down to the open source edition. This is free, and it's fantastic. That's the one we want. I would click to download RStudio Desktop. I do not want the server, I want the desktop, and I would click right here to download that. I would follow instructions and install it, and then you are good to go.